My dear Winnie, I'm writing you these lines while my fiancé is taking an evening stroll. Before you worry, of course, I'm joking. I've always wanted to say something like that since you and I read all those romantic novels. It is rather late here. We are both in the garden. Robin is reading by my side. We have been enjoying the warm evenings under the crabapple trees. Life has been rather hectic over the last couple of weeks, so we are trying to enjoy the calm before the hustle and bustle begins again. Thank you once more for your wonderful engagement present, and of course, for being here with us. Robin's family has been treating me so wonderfully. They offered me help with the tea room and have already given me some useful items for it. We have been thinking that we would like to celebrate our wedding there, at Rose's house. I believe she will be delighted about it. It will be a small gathering anyway, so it could also be a great opportunity for us to test out the space and the kitchen in preparation for opening the tea room. What do you think? I will be traveling back to Burmah Hill on Monday morning. Shall we have dinner together once you return from school? I'll bring some homemade food and wine from Robin's farm. I want to see those old books from Aunt Florence that Annelie gave you and hear everything you spoke about with her and Professor Graham. I know you will say no, but I just couldn't help but notice the way you both smile at each other. I know you will focus on your novel and have plenty of plans and projects for the future. And it seems he is as ambitious and independent as you are. But maybe you are a good team, Winnie. I'll just say this. When you speak with him, your eyes shine just like they do when you talk about your novels. Maybe this time you don't have to choose one thing or the other. I know you trust time and believe in fate, but just remember Rose's words. If you don't pay attention, even the most evident becomes invisible. Come what may, I'm looking forward to all the exciting things that are yet to come and all the moments that we will share together, as friends, as neighbors, and as members of the Order of Wildflowers. I'll see you in a few days, my dear friend. With love, Chloe.